So today I'm starting the vlog out in the car. I decided to just bring you guys along. I am on my way to pick the kids up from school, and then today Tati has a cheerleading game. It's her first football game, so she's gonna do that. And then also Hurricane Irma is on her way to Florida, and we just got back this weekend from Orlando from Disney, so we have nothing in the house. So I'm gonna try and go see if I can at least salvage some water, some fruits, some cereal, whatever I can find in order to feed ourselves if anything were to happen. So you guys are just gonna spend the day with me today, just trying to prepare and like get everything ready and set, and hopefully everything will go as planned. I will have a good day. All right, so let's get to it. Where are you? Huh? You made it! Oh my god, give me 5! Yes! Diti, are you excited? Were you good?
Yes. Dribble backwards, we had to dribble with the left hand, right hand. We also had to...
How? What did it look like?
It looks like.
Hi! Are you ready? Matias made the basketball team.
Congratulations.
I brought you food and your earrings. Oh look, I brought you earrings.
From Claire's, I thought it was from Walmart.
No, I couldn't get into Walmart. There's 1,000 people because of the hurricane.
Oh yeah.
Alright, we're gonna see you on the field. Alright, love you.
Love you too.
Okay, he's not opening it.
Wait, did I get the other ball? God bless me! Vending machine, you wanna go? How about the contestant stand? What?
Good morning, guys. It is Thursday, September, I think, 7th. So we are 2 days before Hurricane Irma. I just got breakfast ready. I got a café con leche. I made Babe a cortadito, which is like a Cuban espresso shot. I don't know what those are. Those are really strong, but he likes those. And we are gonna start our day. I brought your cafecito.
Thank you.
Are you working hard?
Yeah, I'm working hard.
I made you a quesadilla.
Just in the nick of time. Clutch.
You hungry?
Yeah, I was hungry. Thank you.
You need a drink? I forgot to give you a fork.
What?
You didn't have... Did you eat already?
I already tore it up. You're a little too late there.
I brought you a fork though. Okay, love you. Babe. Babe.
What?
This is important. Do you need this?
Yeah, what is this?
I found it. Do you need it?
Yeah, how you doing, man?
Do you need it?
Yeah, it's Ray. I'm calling from CITI
I'll just
program,
take
man. Oh my God, is that you coming back in?
Wait,
here
one more
again?
thing. It's important. It's important.
For real?
Put your arm out. I saw a mosquito
What?
inside. I saw a mosquito outside.
Yo.
Wait, there's mosquitoes. Just put your arm out really
Yo,
quick.
there's not even more mosquitoes in
There's
here,
one
bro.
outside. I saw him. Just stick your arm out. Just put your arm out. I'll help
Spray
you.
it all on my face. Stop.
Okay, I love you. Are you safe now? I love you.
No, turn the fan. Turn the fan.
I love you.
Turn the fan.
I love you.
Yo, where you going?
Okay, so I wanted to show you guys stuff that I got for the kids. Yay! So all this is like, it's basically just gonna be a fun box, like a time to have fun when there's no electricity, because these kids have never been without electricity. So I had to think of cool ways to like entertain them and stuff. So I got all these goodies in like, I think Target, Walmart, like a bunch of places, and we're gonna put it together. Yeah. Oh look, and that is the plywood that is going up later on tonight. So we're gonna do that. So let's get to packing. And there we have it. We are going to fill these up with water. I'm just trying to sanitize these. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you see that steam right there? I'm just running a bunch of hot water through them and a little bit of soap to try and sanitize them so that I can refill them, because we got a purifying system. And in Miami, there's literally no water left. Like, if you've gone to any Walmart, any Publix, any store, there's been no water left. Babe, are you done?
I was actually gonna clock out right now when you came in,
Yay!
but there's some traffic, so I'll be going for like an hour.
What do you mean?
Yeah, it's traffic on the way home.
Shut up. You're done.
So-
You're done.
Done.
Are you scared? It's like your first big hurricane. You know, last time a big hurricane came like that, it was Katrina and you were in my belly. So it was almost like you were there. So, helpful tip for the hurricane.
By me.
When we went to look for flashlights yesterday, they were all sold out. So we bought solar paneled, what are they? Yardsticks. When there's no light, ooh.
My idea.
It was Matthias' idea. Yeah, man. You're so smart. That's why you're gifted. That's why you're gifted, man.
Oh. Hey guys, it's Friday and we are still getting ready for the hurricane and we are almost done and my dad is helping our neighbors, so... Alright guys, so we just started cutting and it's very loud, but all of our next door neighbors are helping us drill the windows, the wood for the windows, and yeah, so we're gonna cut and we're gonna board. And we're gonna screw and we're gonna drill. Wait, yeah, okay. Oh, so we were outside walking the doggies and I found this poor little girl all by herself. I found her. Pobrecita, are you scared? She's so scared. You'll be safe here for the hurricane, okay? You can go back out once it's done.
A tu derecha. Un poquito más. Ahí está bien. Ahí, precioso.
Little boy,
for the hurricane, huh, little boy? Oh, you scared? Since the doggies were gonna be really nervous too. You're nervous? They have a little fun box. Fun box for the doggies. You wanna go for a ride? Huh? You want it? You want it? You wanna get it? You wanna get it? Oh, oh no. Oh no. Ah! Enzo. Enzo, is he dead yet? Drop it. Sit. Sit. Look what you did to your little travel bag. What did you do to it? Wait. Okay, get it. Neil, where's your toy? Where's your toy? Oh, there it is. Oh, where's your toy, Neil? Neil.
Now a Category 4, but winds still 155 miles per hour.
Conditions beginning to worsen as we speak. Irma is expected to slam the Florida Keys at dawn and then march right up the coast.
Cooking in the storm,
Cooking in
huh?
the storm. Cooking in the storm. That's what we're doing. We out here cooking coffee for the neighbors.
Making eggs, bacon, eating breakfast a las 4 at 4 p.m. But it's okay because we got food. Yeah? Are you guys ready for fun kid time? Yay! We have dirt. With the dirt, you can plant your little plants to have them grow for Hurricane Irma in case we have an apocalypse. And then we also have puzzles. You guys can make the puzzles and then color them and make like a T. So you can get the little pens and make like a T or an M with your string.
I got a good game with that one. Give me that.
Do that too later. Let them make the string art
What
first.
is it?
Mine is real fast.
But you can't dirty the string. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do anything yet.
Nobody's gonna dirty the string. Let me get this one.
Babe, can you leave them alone first, please?
Why?
Just let them do the string art first.
They are gonna do the string art. Just give me a minute.
What are you gonna do?
I need.
Oh, here it is.
What? Oh, you bought. That's why you bought the board.
Head on. Alright, so string art first.
Then what are you doing with the string?
Babe, I just said don't touch it. I just said don't touch it.
Acting like a child.
Don't touch it.
Alright.
Don't touch it. Look what you did.
You're acting like a child. Oh my god, look at what you did.
So we've been super annoyed with this car that's been beeping since 9 o'clock in the morning. We don't know if he's the owner or not, but they're trying to shut it up. Shut it up. They got in! They got in! Oh! It's starting to rain. Go baby, save the day! Go babe, go babe! Hey, hey, hey! Oh, look at that jump! Look at that jump, baby! Look at that jump! Dun, 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 dun. Good job, babe! Titi, what are you doing?
Playing dominoes.
Are you taking Theo's money?
Yes. Look at these
Let me see.
cards.
That's not fair.
Let's see. We got
Theo's under the-
Matias at 6. Theo.
Is under the influence.
Go.
1, 2.
Speed connect. Connect forward. Speed connect forward. Go. Go.
You got
Go.
it.
No, no, no. Go. Faster.
2.
Faster.
2. No. You're not dropping it. 1, 2. 1, 2. You got that. You won. Get it for it.
Banana was on this whole thing!
He was going like this.
Oh.
Doing 2 at a time.
So go. Rematch. Rematch.
I went Tatiana did it after. You saw.
No, but you can't put two hands.
It's only one. I did that. I did this.
Okay.
One hand behind your back. Ready? One hand behind your back. Ready, set, go.
1, 2. 1, 2. 1. No, you can't do that. You lost.
Fifi won.
You lost. You cheated.
Matias, you are the wiener.
The wiener.
You're the wiener.
3, 2, 1, go. And my mom takes the lead already. Oh, Carlos is catching up. And
You lost one. Go.
how does it feel like to be a loser?
Go.
Carlos might win this.
2, catching up. I'm at 20% now.
The winner again.
Why didn't I get my hands lifted up?
Go, come on. You got her. You got her. I fly like a drone. They buy it like a loan. Yeah, I smell good. Is that your boy's cologne?
What just happened?
The news went on, but Tatiana.
We got power.
Tatiana was like Wi-Fi, but there is none.
We got Wi-Fi? We don't got Wi-Fi yet.
Wasn't it Irma?
So this is Irma. Her name is Irma, not Irma, because she was found in Miami. So she's Cuban, huh, Mama? Yeah? We're gonna go see if we can find her little family now. What do you think she'll do if we put her on the grass? Look, let's put her right there.
Okay.
Wow. What happened, Mama? In the arms of the angel, fly away from here. Alright, so we are on the road. Finally got out of the house. We needed this, I'm a little sick. You see all that stuff back there? We're helping Ray's mom take all her stuff back to the house. And we're gonna go out here into the streets and assess the damage that Hurricane Irma has done here in South Florida.
He is jealous for me. Love's like a hurricane. I am a tree bending beneath the weight of his wind and mercy. When all of a sudden I am unaware of these afflictions eclipsed by glory.
Are we able to pass? Go through the high part. Oh my god, there's a down part. Are we gonna electrocute? Oh my god.
Hey.
Ooh. The statue just barely made it. What is all that?
Huh?
What is all that?
This is how I survived during a hurricane.
Yeah? What is that?
Dismember a body and then I hide it with this.
During a hurricane? How is that hurricane used?
For the looters.
Oh, I see.
Your body starts to decompose.
Survival 101 by Carlos.
This right here, it's when I cut down to the bone.
When you get to the bone,
Yeah.
you start sawing it off.
Yep. I got my gauze, alcohol. Don't loot my crib.
That's gonna be our thumbnail, just like that.
Yeah.